Dear Zimbabweans, your president cancelled his trip to Chirezi to launch title deeds on 10 April 2026 because he's fearing his country could have been compromised. Saravina mashoko kuda chifumuro panguva ino zvinhu zviri kuitika mastakes of power zviratidza kuti the situation is no longer stable in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Not about subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timira panguva ino payendo yatapadzwa Baba Ninga anouya achitaura achiti, we know if a president who doesn't feel safe in his own country, ED has made a lot of enemies, primarily because he cannot control his wife and twin sons. Those are the ones who are now in charge, and their modus operandi is making ED fire everyone they disagree with. Masvingo province, the one province ED thought was a bastion for his support, is beginning to slip away. What I am hearing from the corridors of power is that the Minister of Provincial Affairs in Masvingo, Ezra Chidzamira, is living on borrowed time. He is going to be shuffled away because the twins and the Amai are not happy with him. Seems is a stumbling block to their mining and land dues in the province. Matuke, the Minister of State Security, is also one under threat. The twins are pushing for the return of Muda. The reason is that Matuke is not as ruthless as Muda, and that Matuke is taking time to assassinate targeted regime critics. The trio of Amai and the twins are now using Tukarara, Lagas, to stamp their authority in Masvingo province. Bospara, the Deputy Youth League Secretary, is now their front. He has been resourced the other day. He was sewing crisp $100 notes in Masvingo. The petrol lines have been drawn in the province, and Chidzamira, long-known Tagore ally, will soon be shown the exit. A cyclone Tungarara, with the backing of Amai and the twins, is sweeping through Masvingo. So this destabilizing cyclone is the reason ED feared for his security and cancelled his 10 April 2026 title deeds faction in Chirezi. Stay blessed, Zimbabwe. I'm coming with more news from the corridors of power. Since these days I am back to where things are happening. Doma developments and Mudachi Fumurwa ne situations are with mastakes of power. Pina comment section videos of Muro Ejimot Kulipam Sorbechit each. Muzama subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.